Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing the third problem of December 2015 long challenge. In this problem we were given a set of lines in the form of ABC where constants from ax plus by plus c equal to 0 equation. So we were supposed to calculate the maximum subset among this which are parallel to each other. They have given us that they shouldn't intersect with each other and also distinct lines, right? So let's go through the code first. This problem was easy to understand, but the main problem was for implementation, as if you are not using any SQL library it would be very difficult to implement. So let's understand how to solve it using SQL library. So we are declaring a type def a vector is something which stores dynamic is something like dynamic array whose size goes on increasing, but this time in vector we are storing pair can be used to pair two values. Pair is another SQL library, vector is a SQL library. Then we are creating a uh, variable v. Similarly we are creating another type def of type map. Map is another SQL library which shows key value pairs. So and also rejects the duplicate values. So this can be very useful to us, rejecting duplicate values. Now let's go through the main code. For every test case, first of all we are clearing the two data types, and then we are scanning the set ABC. Now there are certain special cases, like if b is 0, that means the slope would be infinity always, right? So if b is 0, slope x we are storing it as x, so x would be infinity. And if c is 0, then y will also be 0, because y is intersection, right? So slope would be infinity and intersection would be 0, and else it would be x would be infinity and y would be c into minus 1 by a. Else any other case we would just continue, and then we are inserting this into S, that is a map data type. This is a pair along with I is the key, and if b is not equal to 0, then we would be having a definite slope, so we are storing it in x, by which is calculated by minus a by b, and y is minus c by b. And then we are inserting the pair. So let's take this example, the given example to us. We have this 5 values sets. Now for the when we are calculating x and y, x and y would be this, that is x would be, since y is 0, x would be infinity. We have set infinity to this value, so, and y would be minus 0. Then similarly all these values are calculated up to 5. Then these values are inserted into set, right? These values are inserted. Now let's check the values in in the map. So if we see carefully, we would see only 4 values. Why? Because one duplicate value is neglected, that is these two values, this and this, are same, right? So map has deleted one of them, so we have this 4 values. Now we store these values into a vector, vector which we have previously declared by pushing the values. uh, we can extract the values by of pair by dot first. You can learn much more about this STL libraries by going through various docs. So then we are sorting the vector by sort function, and then uh, after sorting we would be having something like this. Okay, so now what we are doing is we want all those all those subsets which would be having same slope but different intersection, right? So slope, we first take this, make count equal to 1 and max equal to 1. Now we check the next one, it is same, right? Slope, so we make count equal to 2 and max equal to count, so max equal to 2. Then we check this, since this is different, we make count equal to 1 again, and max would be max of the previous max and the current value of count. Similarly, when we come here, this is different, so again count would be 1 and max would be the previous max, so it would be 2, and then we are printing the max value.